By the way, my name is Visha and welcome to the Kings of the Skies falconry display. Falconry is the training of birds of prey to hunt for men. And in just a few moments, there will be birds flying all around this arena. Some right by you. Would you like that? Yes, alright. When that happens, please do not try to reach out or touch them. This is for your safety and for the bird's safety as well. And also please refrain from standing up or walking around during the show as it might distract the other audience. All you need to do is just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. One last thing everyone, no snacking throughout the show. Our birds are very curious. They might just decide to come down and take away your food from you. We don't want that to happen. Alright, can we agree on this? And are you ready for the show? Oh, I'm sure you can do much better. Let's try this one more time together. Are you ready for the show? That's much better. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, let us begin. Everyone, this is Susie, our American bald eagle. Thank you. American bald eagle can be found all the way from Alaska down to Florida. They are known as the emblem of United States of America. Bald eagles are known to build really huge nests which can weigh up to 2 tons. If you wonder how big their nest is, take a look at the pond behind me. That will give you the idea of the size of their nest. Now take a close look at Susie. Do you think she's bald? No? Then why are they known as the bald eagles? Does anyone know? This is because the term bald is an older English word which means white head, hence the name. By the way, she's 15 years old this year. Thank you very much, Susie, our American bald eagle. Thank you. Birds of prey can also be found right here in Singapore. The largest bird of prey that you can find right over here would be the white-bellied sea eagles. And the main source of their diet consists of banded sea snakes, just like this. Please do not be alarmed, everyone. This is not a real snake. Now, I'm going to throw these into the pond and let's see if our white-bellied sea eagle is able to snatch it off from the surface of the water. Everyone, get your cameras ready and look right back there. Let's welcome Satrian. Here he comes, making a turn in goes the snake, and he's got it. Let's give him a big hand, everyone. Sea eagles have very scaly legs which help them to prevent injuries caused by their prey, and rough undersides which enables them to hold on to their struggling and slippery prey. Birds of prey are generally very possessive over their catch. They do not let go of what they have caught. Now let's see what happens when I take the snake away from him. Hello boy, can I get the snake back? No? Well, look at that, very possessive. So I have to do an exchange just like this to get the snake back. I can reuse this tomorrow. Some of you must be wondering, why are they known as the white-bellied sea eagles when he is brown in color? Am I right? This is because he is still very young. He's about 3 years old this year. When they're about 5 to 6 years old, that's when the feathers from head all the way down to belly turns completely white. Hence the name white-bellied sea eagle. Thank you very much, we are our young and beautiful white-bellied sea eagle. Thank you. Our next species of bird of prey has keen sense of smell. He can pick up the stench of rotting meats from miles away. Do you know what type of bird of prey I'm talking about? It is a vulture. Now everyone, look right back there. This is Titan, our turkey vulture. Turkey vultures can be found from tip of Canada all the way down to tip of South America. They are known as the smoke signals because when other species of vultures see them descending, they follow suit. Although they are the first one to reach upon a carcass, they are not able to tear open a huge carcass like a buffalo carcass because buffaloes have very tough and thick skin, which the turkey vultures are not able to tear open. So they have to wait for a larger species of vulture to do the job. Alright Titan, you've done very well and home is that way. All the way back to shower. Titan, our turkey vulture. Turkey vultures are one of the smaller species of vultures. Now, do you want to see the largest vulture in the world? Yes, alright. Without any further delay, let's welcome George, our Andean condor. Andean condors can be found in the Andes Mountains of South America. They are not only the largest vultures, but also the biggest bird of prey in the world. They can weigh up to 15 kilograms and have an impressive 3.2 meters wingspan. Where are you going, boy? Right back here. Hello. Hello. Okay, he's coming back. Do you want to see his wingspan? Yes? Alright, Josh, they want to see your wingspan. Don't you want to show off? Right up here, boy. Come on. Hello. Where are you? Ah, there you go. Look at his wingspan, everyone. Pretty huge, right? Vultures are generally scavengers. They do not hunt. So whenever they chance upon a carcass, they eat as much and as quick as possible because they do not know when is their next meal. They also have a very powerful suction system which enables them to swallow their food extremely fast, just like the vacuum cleaners. Alright Josh, you have done very well. Thank you very much and goodbye. George, our Andean condor. Besides the flights of eagles, hawks and falcons, modern falconers are also known to fly their nocturnal counterpart. When I mention the word nocturnal, what type of bird of prey comes to your mind? Say it louder. Owls, that's right. Modern falconers are known to fly owls mainly to demonstrate their ability of silent flight. Now, can anyone spot an owl around this area? No? You want to see one? Everyone, turn around and look right back there. That's an owl. Now he's going to make a low flight above you. So everyone, please remain seated and remain quiet so you can experience the silent flight made by the owl. Wow, very silent flight indeed. I bet none of you heard it flapping its wings when he's flying low above you. Am I right? This is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have very soft edges at the tip of their feathers. So, the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers. That's not the only reason, everyone. There's another reason too. What do owls mainly hunt for at night? Does anyone know? Mice and rats, well done! Rodents! Rodents come out at night and rodents have very acute sense of hearing. So the owls have to be extremely silent to catch its prey without being detected at all. By the way, this is Belang, our Malay fish owl. Malay fish owls can be found in Southeast Asia. And they are very unique species of owls because they have evolved to hunt for fish. Now Belang will be joined by his buddy, Edric, the barn owl. Oh, look at that cute, adorable owl, everyone. Barn owls are the most commonly found owls throughout the world, except in Antarctica. They have hypersensitive hearing, which allows them to hunt in total darkness. Can you imagine that? They pounce on their prey by just listening to the movement of their prey. Pretty interesting, right? By the way, Belang and Edric are very special to us because they were hatched and raised right here in the Jurong Bird Park at our Breeding and Research Center, which is located right back there. Thank you. Belang is 8 years old this year. How old do you think Edric is? 5? Any other answers? 8? 10? 2? 3? How about people from this side? 7? 10? Guess what? Somebody has got the answer right. Edric is just 2 years old this year. Well done, sir. You got the answer right. Alright, Edric. Thank you very much and goodbye. Excuse me. Edric the barn owl. I'm pretty sure all of you know that all owls are able to turn their head to the back. Now the question is, how many degrees do you think an owl can turn its head around? 360 degrees. Any other answers? 270 degrees. 270 as well. Any other answers apart from 270 and 360? 180. Alright, we got 3 common answers. Let's try this out. How many of you think it's 180 degrees? Raise your hands. I can see a few hands there. How about 270 degrees? Wow, more hands this time. And last but not least, 360 degrees. Well done, everyone. The correct answer would be 270 degrees. Well done for those of you who got it right. 180 is what you and I can do from the left to the right. 360 is a full circle, which means the owl might sprain its neck. We don't want that to happen. So the correct answer would be 270 degrees. Alright, Belang, you can join your friend back there. Thank you very much, our beautiful owl. Owls are nature's pest controllers, whereas vultures are nature's cleanup crew. Vultures are very important bird of prey to our environment because they help to control the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carrion. But sadly, many vulture species are rapidly declining in the wild. Right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we do our part in conservation. In fact, our next bird of prey that's going to make its way out was rescued and nursed back to health by us. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we bring you Genji, our Himalayan Griffon vulture. These species are mainly found in the higher regions of Himalayas. And migrating juveniles at times happen to lose their way and have ended up in various parts of Asia. And Genghis happened to be one of them. He was found weak and dehydrated along Orchard Road in Singapore. We rescued him and nursed him back to health. Now, don't you think he looks very healthy and happy? Yeah, right. In fact, he's a very good family member. Alright, Genghis, it's time to make way for the rest of your friends. Everyone, let's put our hands together for Genghis, our Himalayan Griffon vulture. And we shall continue. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now joined by a group of vultures. Let me introduce them one by one. The three grey ones back there are the white-backed vultures. They can be found in Africa. And the three big brown guys, they are the cinereous vultures, can be found in Europe and Asia. It is a very common sight to see vultures coexist in the wild and feed on a huge carcass, just like that. We've got more birds joining us! Kites. They can be found in Southeast Asia. Now I'm going to throw 10 meat in the air. Let's see how many they can catch. I want you to count along with me. Is it alright? Alright, there you go. Let's count louder, everyone. Let's tune them out. How about you? Oh! Alright, one last one. Looks like they've got 10 out of 10. Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. And with that, after having seen all these birds flown here today, I'm sure all of you would agree that they certainly deserve and merit the title, the Kings of the Sky. Thank you. If you have any questions regarding the show or the birds, feel free to approach me. If you'd like to bring back a fond